Hi everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. Today we will talk about how to connect a custom domain or subdomain to your BlogHunch site. The first thing you need to do is sign into your BlogHunch account, and from the dashboard head over to the settings and then the domains in the website section. Within the domain, in the first row you will find two options. Left hand side is the subdomain and the right hand side is the site domain. So this input right here is the one where you need to put the custom domain or the subdomain that you want to integrate to your BlogHunch site. In my case, this is crenva.com. So whatever domain you have or the subdomain that you want, for example blog.crenva.com, you can just put it here. And once that is done, all you need to do is just click on this add button. Once you press add, it will give you a couple of options. For example, the first one, add www.crenva.com and redirect crenva.com to it. So what it means is your website is accessible with the www variant plus the non-www variant. So if someone tries to visit crenva.com, which is the non-www variant one, they will be redirected to this one. For the second option, what will happen is both will be accessible again, but if someone tries to visit the www variant of crenva.com, they will automatically get redirected to the non-www variant. And the third option is just adding the root domain. So based on your preference, you can choose the option. For my case, I'm choosing this one. So once you click add, it will give you the options right here to configure your DNS. So it is asking me to create an A record for the root and put this IP address over there. So I'm opening my Cloudflare dashboard, and here in the DNS records, you see I have created an A record for crenva.com. So here in the name, I just need to put @ and as you can see, use @ for the root. So @ is equals to crenva.com. Now right after that, I have added the IP address. Now there is one thing that you need to assure, that if you are using Cloudflare, make sure you disable the proxy status. By default, it will be enabled, but you need to turn it off in order to use BlogHunch. As we are generating the SSL on our end, if you turn it on, it will have some conflict. Now once that is done, you can set the TTL to the lowest value and save. In the same way, if we get back and take a look at the other record that we need to create is a CNAME record, and the name we need to use is www. So here you see I have created an CNAME record for www, and the content I have set as crenva.com. And again, the proxy status needs to be disabled. So this is how you can connect your custom domain or subdomain to BlogHunch. In the same way, if we consider GoDaddy, you can just go to your GoDaddy DNS manager. There you can add a new record. The first record you need to do is an A record. The name will be @. The value will be the IP address. So I'm copying the IP address from here. The value TTL, we can set it custom, and I think GoDaddy supports the lowest value, 600. Once that is done, save this. Done, the DNS record is added. The next thing we need to do is a CNAME record that will be for www, and the value in our case, it is crenva.com. And again, I'm going to set it to 600. So this is how you can configure your custom domain or subdomain using BlogHunch.